who is the Lord of all kings, in whose hymn all CSE persons sing, who has given us the strongest wings to soar and fly and reach the highest of skies. Your debt on us is, sir, irrevocably high. When we look back, the memories give us nothing but a big sigh of wonder and so many cherished moments of life. In a class full of animals of various kinds, where you used to often shout, "Oh, hello, hello, Mr. Snake, dog, do your own business." And as the class goes on